Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Fingertips Basic to Advanced Excel program. In our first session, we'll be covering basic overview. So, are you guys excited for this journey? For a strong building, we need a strong foundation. So, let's begin with our foundation first, that is our basics. Go to Start, go to Programs and then scroll down the list. You'll find Excel, click that and you'll see this template. Now, in that template, we can see I can either open a blank workbook or the templates given by Excel or previously saved files. Currently, I'll open a blank workbook. In that, we can see on the top there is a quick access toolbar. Probably if you guys are not having, it is because of the different version. So how do we check the version? You go to File and go to Account. And on the right side, you can see I'm working on 2019 version. You can check yours and then you'll come to know whether we all are on the same page or not. Below that, we can see this area is known as Ribbon. Ribbon has different tabs. Home tab, Insert tab, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas. And in each tab, there are different groups like Clipboard, Font, Alignment, Number, Styles. And in each group, there are different functions. And how to minimize this tab? There is an icon over here, you can press this or you can double click or you can also use a shortcut, that is Ctrl F1 and then you again press Ctrl F1 and it will expand. So this is the tab and the ribbon. Below that we can see this is the name box. Name box gives me the location of the cell. Now it is given A2 because A2 is highlighted cell. So I can see that cursor is over there and I can also direct Excel to go in another particular cell like H10 and it will direct me there. And besides that, there is a formula bar. Formula bar displays whatever I write in the cell. Suppose if I write Nidhi, it will show me Nidhi. But if I write any formula, it's like equals to 2 plus 2 and in the cell I can see the answer, but in the formula bar I'll see the formula, that is 2 plus 2. Now how to edit any cell? It's quite simple. You just have to go and press F2 and then you can move the cursor and then you can edit any cell like that. You can expand the formula bar from here and then you can again minimize it from here. And these horizontal lines are known as rows. These vertical lines are known as columns. And these rectangular boxes are known as cells. Horizontal lines are named numerically 1, 2, 3, 4, that is rows, and columns are named alphabetically A, B, C, D, and etc. Do you know how many rows and columns are there in a single spreadsheet? Is it 1,048,574 rows and 16,384 columns? Is this correct? It's quite simple, we can check it out. So how do we check is, you press Ctrl and down and you'll see it is 1,048,576 rows, and if you press Ctrl and right, you'll see XFD is the last column, which is 16,384 columns, and Ctrl Home is the shortcut to go back to the A1 cell, that is the fourth cell in the Excel sheet. And what is a range? Range is when you select multiple cells together, that is known as range. What is Workbook? Workbook is collection of different worksheets. Do you know how many worksheets we can add in a single workbook? Excel allows 255 sheets in a single workbook. So now if I want to close the file, I can close it from this cross sign over here, or I can use a shortcut. Alt F4 will close the entire workbook with Excel. So now you can see that I am in different file. But if I press Ctrl W, another shortcut, it will just close that workbook and Excel is open. Now if I press Cross or Alt F4, the entire workbook with Excel will get closed and now we are on the blank page again. And now everything is closed.